Hey there, are you ready to embark on an exciting journey towards self-sufficient living? Whether you're looking to cut costs, reduce your environmental footprint, or simply enjoy a more hands-on lifestyle, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing 5 super easy steps to get you started on your path to self-sufficiency. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Grow your own food. You don't need a huge garden to start growing your own food. Begin with herbs and vegetables that are easy to manage, like tomatoes, basil, or lettuce. If you have limited space, try container gardening or even vertical gardening. Trust me, there's nothing like the taste of homegrown produce. Step 2. Start composting. Composting is a fantastic way to reduce waste and create nutrient-rich soil for your garden. You can start with a simple compost bin or pile and toss in your kitchen scraps like fruit peels, coffee grounds, and vegetable scraps. Turn the pile every now and then, and you'll have rich compost in no time. Step 3. Harvest rainwater. Collecting rainwater is a great way to save on your water bill and have a sustainable water source for your garden. All you need is a rain barrel or a large container to collect water from your downspouts. It's an easy and effective way to make use of natural resources. Step 4. Learn basic DIY skills. Being self-sufficient means being able to fix things yourself. Start with simple projects like repairing a leaky faucet, sewing a button, or building a small shelf. YouTube is a goldmine for DIY tutorials that can help you learn new skills and gain confidence. Step 5. Preserve your harvest. Once you start growing your own food, you'll want to make the most of it. Learn basic preservation techniques like canning, drying, and freezing. This way you can enjoy your homegrown produce all year round. Plus, there's a real satisfaction in seeing jars of your own preserves lined up on the shelf. Well, that's it. 5 easy steps to start living a more self-sufficient life today. Remember, it's all about taking small, manageable steps and enjoying the journey. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on self-sufficient living. Let's get started on this amazing journey together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.